welcome back to my channel. So, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you can probably tell that I am filming in a very different room. I'm actually filming today's video in my bedroom because I wanted today to be a very different video. It's going to be more of a chill, let's make dinner together video and not like my usual formal recipe tutorials. So it is about 6 p.m. and I'm getting really hungry and I want to make dinner for my family and I'm leaning towards something like a flatbread because A, it's so easy to make, and B, I can probably find a few toppings and ingredients in my fridge. If you are new to my channel, just a quick intro. Hi, my name's Nicole and I'm just a gal that loves food. I love baking, I love cooking, and I typically share a lot of formal recipe tutorials on my channel on a weekly basis. So today is actually the first day you're catching where I'm doing more of a vlog style intro, so lucky for you. But if you love food and you love watching recipe videos, subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your notification bells, all that good stuff. Alright guys, I am getting really hungry, so let's go make dinner. Alright friends, so I'm starting off with some pre-made flatbread that I bought at the grocery store, and I'm sure you can find this at any of your local grocery stores as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them on my baking tray, and I'm actually going to top them directly on the baking tray. So I decided that today I'm going to be making a regular flatbread but also a vegetarian flatbread. So for the vegetarian one, I have this tomato pesto in my fridge, so I'm going to use that as the base for my vegetarian flatbread. This tomato pesto is actually really good. The texture is so thick and it kind of tastes like it has meat in it. I don't know how, but it's super savory. And then for the regular flatbread, I decided to use olive oil as the base. And then on both pizzas, I'm going to top it with some bocconcini cheese that I also had just lying around in my fridge. I love this cheese on flatbreads because it's super stretchy and yummy. And then I also had these cherry tomatoes as well, which I'm also going to add to both pizzas. Or sorry, not pizzas, flatbreads. I might be doing that throughout the video because I always call my flatbreads pizzas. Then on the vegetarian pizza, I'm topping it with some cubed sweet potato. These are actually sweet potatoes that I chopped into tiny little cubes so that they cook faster in the oven, because if not, it can take up to 45 minutes to cook thoroughly. And then I'm also going to add some red onion and broccoli to the vegetarian flatbread as well. So sorry guys if I'm going back and forth between the two flatbreads, but I am literally going as I find ingredients in my fridge. So onto the regular flatbread, you saw that I added some prosciutto, some microgreens, and now I am just adding some fresh chopped basil on top of both flatbreads. Quick PSA here, so I have smoked flavored shredded cheddar cheese. I am not a big fan of cheddar cheese at all, but this cheese, because it's smoked, hits differently and it has such a yummy smoked aftertaste. So I highly recommend, if you can find this at your local grocery store, to grab some because it's super delicious. Alright, now that I'm done adding the cheese to both flatbreads, I'm just gonna pop these babies into the oven for about 25 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Out of the oven, your flatbread should look something like this. The cheese should be super melted and your flatbread should be really crispy. Sorry the flatbreads switch positions out of the oven, but the top one is the regular flatbread that I'm gonna drizzle balsamic vinegar on. Clearly I did not drizzle it, I ended up spilling it, which is so bad, but I don't have to tell my family, so I just tried to hide it with more fresh basil on top. They don't have to know. And lastly, I'm just gonna top the vegetarian flatbread with some everything but the bagel seasoning, which is one of my ultimate favorites. Now it is time to slice and serve your flatbreads. Honestly, you can cut these any way you choose. So on the bottom, I just cut them into rectangles. And then for the top flatbread, for some reason, I chose to do diagonal rectangles. What do you call them? Parallelograms? Anyways, good news is no matter how you slice this flatbread, it is going to taste equally delicious. Did you notice how easy and fast this meal was to make? It took maybe under 30 minutes and it's such a great, quick and easy meal whenever you're busy or if you need something really fast. What I love the most about this meal is that it is so great when you're trying to clean out your fridge. So if you have any vegetables that are about to go bad, you can definitely use them for these flatbreads, or if you have any leftover deli meat lying around or any cheeses, just throw them all onto your flatbread, bake it, and it's going to turn out amazing. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed making dinner with me. The entire process of making those 2 flatbreads actually takes less than 30 minutes, so it's a perfect meal if you're super busy or need something really quick. It's super yummy. Also, I'm just gonna stop right here and say I don't know how people do this vlogging thing because my arm already hurts and this is probably the worst angle ever. Okay, I switched angles. I don't know if this is any better, but I'm gonna end the video right here. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like this vlog style video, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for more recipes and don't forget to turn on your notification bells so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, last angle change. But if you haven't followed me on my social media accounts, definitely follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. I will leave all the links down in my description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I don't know how you guys do this, but my arm, I swear to you, is high-key aching. It's dying. I think I need to work out my left arm more, but oh my god.